Hello and welcome to Day-to-Day Friday. We do not have live classes today because I am looking at your data and I will be determining your instructional level for the next instructional cycle. And so while I am working hard and crunching the numbers, I want you to definitely go to Canvas and do today's lesson. So just want to also point out a couple of things that you should always note your recent announcements. If you scroll down on your homepage a little bit, there is the calendar, which I will go down and find today's date. And you can see today's lesson is covalent bonds. Day-to-day, no live classes today. No live classes. All right, so in order to find that module, I am going to go to modules. And just a reminder, there are the recordings. If you ever miss class, this is where to find them. Another magic calendar, right there, it is live. I also will be putting an IC2 hard copy of the magic calendar in here. It's a periodic table that you should either download and save or download and print. And then here is instructional cycle 2. If for some reason this isn't showing up, then you want to clear out your cookies because I moved it. And so now you need to refresh. So here's 920. Make sure that you use the note guide if you like note guides, that you do the warm-up, the instruction, and the summary, and most importantly, that you do this assignment check for understanding so that you will know what questions you need to ask. If you have any questions, send me an email. If this is all good and you have some extra time, go ahead and check out the Explore and learn more. And that is your assignment for today. If you're good with Canvas and you know how to find everything, then you can probably stop watching, but I'm going to scroll back up here and just point a couple more things out that are super important. I have this question all the time. Well, how do I know what assignments I am missing? And so there's this assignment button down here. So I click on assignment, and I'm logged in as a generic student. So you can see all the past assignments and their due dates, but the main place to find out what you're missing is in the grades tab. So like my generic student, because I was the generic student, you can see that the generic student has not yet taken the 830 quiz. It says it's missing. Does not have a score. And, oh, these, see the pre-test score, I haven't even put that in here. That's not for a grade. So anytime you see something here not for a grade, you'll actually have scores in here, your IA1 score and your pre-test score. I didn't put any in for my practice student. Therefore, it doesn't have any points on the IA1 participation. And then you can see what group it's in. And if you're wondering, well, these are all my individual grades, where's my overall grade? Well, that is an infinite campus. So make sure if you want to see your overall average in class, you head over to Infinite Campus, and that will tell you what your overall average is. Also over here, if you wanted to just look at a quiz, there are the 3 quizzes. If you want to look at a discussion, there's our one discussion we have thus far. And don't forget about your calendar. And if you aren't seeing things on the calendar, make sure that your calendar is darkened in over here on the right. So have a wonderful Friday, and I will see you next week.